They say living in apartments made life a lot easier. In reality, it completely depends on the apartment administrators running the society. Broken infrastructure, vendor management, employees and vendor payments, collection common expenses, staying tax compliant while keeping everyone happy and informed. It feels like managing a small city. To make this work, residents form a welfare association to elect a president and a secretary. In most societies, these are volunteers, not professionals. They juggle responsibilities through WhatsApp groups, Excel sheets, cash collections, and piles of manual records. The result? Confusion, stress, and inefficiency. And that's where My Apartment app comes in. Calculate expenses accurately, track overdues, and collect receivables with ease, provide community logbook, tools, and guidelines. It's the smarter way to run your community. Simple, transparent, and stress-free. Download My Apartment app today from Google Play or the App Store, or visit www.myapartment.app.